This is back to the 2000 XL883C. Getting ready to put the belt on, and while I got the wheel off, probably going to check out the swing arm play. You're just going to back these out evenly. Your adjusters, pretty much all the way. And then you align them again with our alignment tool. There, I don't know what the hell it is. Needs a good cleaning, that's for sure. Oh yeah, it looks pretty. Sure as hell took the caps out of it though, the springs. So they're just barely hand tight. So again, don't take your caliper apart. These things are supposed to be torqued like 30. Alright. So what you got here, you know, don't take these bolts out. You don't have to. See if the O-rings are in there. To reiterate, when you're doing the pads, don't split the caliper apart. These are the only pins you have to take out are these right here. There's two of them. That's what hold the pads in. 1/4 inch 12-point bolts. And these are 10 millimeter 12 points, big ones. Part and lost the O-rings. There's a little O-ring that goes here and one that goes there. Both of them are gone. Both of them are gone, so add that to the list. Need 2 more O-rings. I've had people buy brake pads, and you tell them how to put them in. You tell them to take them 2 pins out and drop the pads and slide the new ones in there after you retract the pistons. And they'll call up and say they ain't got no brakes. They ain't got no brake pedal. Okay, well, what'd you do? Well, I put the pads in there. Okay. Well, bring it over and let me take a look at it. So they'll throw it on a trailer or whatever and bring it over. And you can see it sitting there, squirt leaking fluid in between the 2 halves here. So if it's got fluid coming out of here, or here on this side, you know what they did automatically. They split the caliper in 2 because they couldn't figure out how to get it apart. Didn't realize you have to pull the axle. Well, you don't really have to pull the axle out. Always got to take the pins out, take a pry bar and just retract the pistons a little bit and the pads fall right out, and then you stick new ones in, stick the 2 bolts back in here, guide pins, and that's it. But they'll have it leaking fluid everywhere, and at that point it's leaking fluid. They either dropped an O-ring or they crushed them or something. Who the hell knows? Usually they lost them. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull this thing out of the bearings in there. There's a bearing there that I guess somebody tried to grease it. I don't know what they got in there for grease. But we're going to clean that. Nut guide things in there. I don't know if you can see down in there real good. The bearings they're notchy. They're just gone. So we'll get a new bearing set, and it'll come with the spacer that goes in there between the bearings. And once I get those, I guess I'll do a video on knocking them things in there. And I think this bushing's okay. It's coated, and I don't have my damn glasses on, but it looks like the coating's still on there. Now, when Harley does these bushings like this, right here, it's just like a fork bushing. If it's got the coating all the way around it, it's still good. Nah. And O-rings for the caliper. And I think that's it for today. I think I'm going to go ride around some. Maybe go screw with the BMW some on that kickstand. That's a jacked up kickstand, I'll tell you that much right now. You'd think the Germans would have something better than that, but guess not. Anyway, that's it for today. If you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, comment, all that jazz. You guys have a great day.